What if your machines could tell you they're about to fail before they actually do? That's exactly what sensor data analytics makes possible. From factories and logistics to healthcare and smart cities, businesses in 2026 aren't just collecting sensor data, they're turning it into real-time business decisions. Here's how Sensor Data Analytics Strategy 2026 actually works. Sensor data analytics is the process of collecting, cleaning, processing, and analyzing data generated by IoT sensors. These sensors continuously capture information like temperature, pressure, vibration, GPS location, motion, and equipment health. But raw data alone has no value. Only after processing and analysis does it become actionable insights that improve operations and reduce costs. A modern sensor data analytics system follows 5 key stages. First, sensors collect real-time data. Next comes sensor data preprocessing, where duplicate readings, missing values, and noisy data are cleaned. Then the data is processed using edge computing, cloud processing, or a hybrid architecture. After that, AI and machine learning for sensor data identify trends, predict failures, and perform sensor anomaly detection. Finally, dashboards transform those insights into alerts and recommendations that teams can act on immediately. That's how raw sensor readings become business intelligence. One of the biggest decisions in 2026 is choosing between edge versus cloud sensor data processing. Edge processing analyzes data close to the device, making it ideal for low latency and instant responses. Cloud processing offers unlimited scalability and powerful analytics for historical data. Many organizations now use a hybrid approach, processing critical events at the edge while storing long-term data in the cloud. The biggest advantage isn't collecting more data, it's making better decisions. Businesses use real-time sensor data analytics for predictive maintenance, fleet monitoring, manufacturing automation, energy optimization, healthcare, monitoring smart agriculture. Instead of reacting after problems happen, companies prevent them before they occur. The future belongs to organizations that can transform sensor data into action. A strong sensor data analytics strategy is not just about IoT. It is about building smarter, faster, AI-powered businesses. If you are planning your next IoT solution, understanding sensor data analytics is where everything starts.